These are the materials and tools you need to renovate your tiles. To make your tiles look as good as new, sometimes all you need to do is replace the grout. You can remove the grout using the multifunction tool with the right attachment. Put on work gloves, safety goggles and ear defenders before starting this job. Remove the grout using the multifunction tool. Make sure you don't damage the tiles. Using a cutter, scratch away any small pieces of grout that remain. Use a handheld vacuum cleaner or a cloth to remove any debris. Once all the old grout has been removed, you can mix the new grout. Apply the new grout in line with the packaging instructions and remove any excess using a trowel. Then let it dry. After it has dried completely, you can clean the tiles as usual. Your tiles should now look as good as new. Did you know that you can paint tiles quite easily? You just need a special type of paint. First of all, check that your tiles and grout are all intact. Remove silicone grouting or tape it down. Clean the tiles using vinegar or a towel cleaner until they are squeaky clean. Before you start painting, tape down silicone grout and the edges of the tiles using masking tape where necessary. Spread tile primer on the tiles. You can also apply it on the grout if you like. Paint the tiles. Make sure you apply the paint evenly. Some types of paint just require one coat, others need an additional coat. For best results, refer to the packaging instructions. Remove the masking tape before the paint becomes hard and dry. You can also renovate your tiles very easily using adhesive film. To start off with, measure the size of your tiles. Mark out the dimensions on the adhesive film. For best results, use a ruler and a marker pen. Using the IXO and the right attachment, you can cut the tile stickers to size. Peel off the underside of the adhesive film and attach the stickers. Use a plastic trowel, a ruler, or a steel square to smooth down the adhesive film. If you want to replace the grout, you can try painting over it instead using a grout pen. Using tile stickers and a grout pen, you can quickly and easily create a new look for your bathroom or kitchen.